वेलकम टू द चैनल। आज हमारे पास एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो है एंड दिस इज रिगार्डिंग द iPhone 16 Pro. There are a number of things which we want to discuss on this, but coming from a person who has been with the iPhone 15 Pro Max for almost a year now, I think more than a year, there are not much changes. So I will focus on what has changed from the iPhone 15 Pro Max to the 16 Pro. एंड मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा टेक्निकलिटीज़ में नहीं जाना है एंड वी विल ऑल्सो सी व्हाट दिस बटन इज़ ऑल अबाउट. सो यू मस्ट हैव सीन मल्टीपल वीडियोज़ ऑफ इट, बट मैं आपको इतना ही बताऊंगा कि ये फंक्शनल है या नहीं एंड एक यूज़र के हिसाब से डज इट इवन मेक सेंस टू हैव दिस बटन कि आप स्क्रीन ही यूज़ करने वाले. अगर वैसा ही है तो फिर व्हाट्स द यूज़ ऑफ बाइंग दिस फोन. But let's get into the video, and before we do that, do subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon and don't forget to like the video. ये चैनल को हमें 10,000 सब्सक्राइबर्स तक लेके जाना है, so with your help only we'll be able to do it. Now let's get into this video. So the phone has been completely set up, and the first thing which I want to tell you guys that the color, desert color which they have gotten this year is really good. मुझे ज़्यादातर blacks या dark color ज़्यादा पसंद आते हैं, but this is really good. So really happy with that. Now let's check out the first thing which is there, which is the camera button. Now to launch the camera it is seamless, but अगर आप operate करना चाहते हैं या कुछ करना चाहते हैं, we are so used to operating the camera from the touch screen कि ये एक extra, एक additional चीज़ आपको सीखनी पड़ेगी if you guys want to really use the camera button. But yes, it is a good addition to have. Slightly I would say it is innovative. But if you see one hand operation, it is slightly difficult to operate and you have to really learn operating it. Now say you have learned how to operate the camera button. तो इसमें काफ़ी features है, like you have the zoom control, you can choose between all the settings which you can have, like you can change the exposure, change the color, change the color, I mean the filter which is there on top. Which Apple calls in a very different way, but anyway, and you have got the auto shutter, auto focus and all of that which is built in. So it is a two-step button. आप lightly press कर सकते हैं and hard press भी कर सकते हैं to click. Apart from that, आप कैमरा कंट्रोल में वो भी मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा कि क्या क्या आप कर सकते हैं उसमें. But overall, it's a two-handed operation. Let's be very clear with it. But it's good to have it. So I know the video is becoming about the camera control, but that is the only thing which is different over here. If you see, this is the splash screen which you get when you start the phone, and आप इसमें काफ़ी कुछ changes कर सकते हैं, but this is when you set up the phone. So if you already have it, then yeah, this is what you will get. So guys, as subscribers of Bunch of Tech, I have got these amazing skins for you from GadgetShields.com, and these are their meltdown skins. मैंने last video में भी दिखाया था और I have put them on my devices. Oh my god, they are so good. You should really go and check these out. Links in the description. Go and buy them. अब डिज़ाइन की बात कर लेते हैं फाइनली, एंड डिज़ाइन में कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है फ्रॉम द 12, 13, 14, 15. The only difference is the camera control button, but the screen has increased ever so slightly. So now from a 6.1 inch on the iPhone 15 Pro, it has gone to 6.3 inch. अगर आप कवर यूज़ करते हैं तो आपको वो बिल्कुल भी फ़र्क नहीं पड़ेगा उसका. सो डिस्प्ले अगर आप देखेंगे तो काफ़ी एज टू एज आ गया है. 15 Pro के कंपैरिजन में थोड़ा सा जो बेजल है वो कम हुआ है, बट वो आपको ज़्यादा, अगर आप नॉर्मल ऑपरेशन करते हैं तो आपको ज़्यादा समझ में नहीं आएगा ये बात. डिस्प्ले काफ़ी ब्राइट हो जाता है, सो दैट इज़ गुड. आउटडोर में आपको काफ़ी अच्छे से डिस्प्ले दिखेगा, एंड आई विल टेक द फ़ोन आउटडोर फॉर द कैमरा एंड द माइक टेस्ट, सो स्टे ट्यून फॉर दैट. सो काफ़ी एक आपको अपग्रेड मिल जाएगा, उसमें कोई इशू नहीं है. सो अगर आप 12 से आ रहे हैं या 13 से आ रहे हैं तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा आपको एक डिफरेंस दिखेगा ये फ़ोन में, which is what exactly you should do, and you should upgrade, right? So that is something which Apple has taken care, that if you're doing a 2-3 year upgrade cycle, then this phone is perfect for you. सो बैटरी की बात कर लेते हैं. बैटरी एप्पल ने बोला है कि थोड़ा सा बेटर हो गया है, बट एक्चुअली ऑपरेशन में भी काफ़ी दिखता है ये. सो अगर आप 12 से आ रहे हैं, 13 से आ रहे हैं तो आपको एक सिग्निफिकेंट इंक्रीज़ मिलेगा. 15 से आ रहे हैं तो थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा. पूरा दिन तो डेफिनेटली लास्ट करता है ये, मे बी इनटू द नेक्स्ट डे एज वेल. सो अगर आपको देखना है तो मैंने एक गेमिंग वीडियो भी किया है, चैनल पे लाइव है, यू कैन गो एंड चेक दैट आउट फॉर बैटरी लाइफ. Let's test out the speakers. Let's test out the mic, and I'm going to put it on 4K. Let's see how it goes. So hi everyone, this is the iPhone 16 Pro, and this is a mic test of how good it is. Okay, now this is done. Let's look at the video. And this is the iPhone 16 Pro, and this is a mic test of how good it is. So hi everyone. So I think pretty decent. The mics are pretty good. I'm not sure if you'll be able to differentiate between both the mics, but the video is currently on an iPhone 15 Pro Max, and this is what you heard from an iPhone 16 Pro. So that's the difference in the video between both of them, and the mics as well. Okay, now the other thing which we are going to do is we are going to do a speaker test. So let me bring up one of my videos and we will see कि exactly difference क्या है. ये रहा मेरा YouTube का पेज. इसको 10,000 करो यार जल्दी. Okay, now let's hear a video and see how it is. Video standby पे है. मैं आपको voice दिखा दूँ तो the volume is full. And now let's play the video. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. आज हम बात करने वाला हूँ कि आपको डीजल लेनी चाहिए या पेट्रोल. मैंने इस पे एक वीडियो बना चुका हूँ मैं. So I'm not going to talk about the conventional things कि power ज़्यादा है या कम है, all of that. But we'll keep that into perspective as well. So these are the speakers. I think they are pretty loud in an open environment like how I am in right now. So काफ़ी loud है speakers. Not a problem here. But मुझे कुछ ज़्यादा difference नहीं लग रहा है from an iPhone 15 Pro to iPhone 16 Pro in terms of the speakers at least. Mic भी ठीक ठाक है. आप बताइए comment section में what do you think about the mic. But according to me it was not too much of a step up in terms of that. Now let's go to the next section. Okay, so one more difference between the earlier iPhones and this one is that the iPhone 16 Pro comes with Wi-Fi 7. The iPhone 15 Pro came with Wi-Fi 6E, so it's a different generation altogether. Speed में देखते हैं, and oh my god, it is crazy, right? About 700 Mbps speed on top of it. But yeah, this also depends on your connection कि आपका Wi-Fi कितना fast है. But overall, I think, see, the phone is pretty good. इसमें कोई doubt नहीं है. मैंने ये कैमरा कंट्रोल का भी आपको दिखा दिया है. काफ़ी चीज़ें इसमें हैं जो एक वर्दी अपग्रेड हो सकता है, आई फील. एंड वाईफाई का रेंज भी काफ़ी बढ़ गया है. इफ़ आई टेल यू पर्सनली, काफ़ी ज़्यादा वाईफाई का रेंज बढ़ गया है विद दिस आईफोन. सो दैट इज़ द ओनली डिफरेंस विच आई फाउंड बिटवीन द वाईफाईज. So in short, if you're coming from an iPhone 15 Pro or a 14 Pro or something like that, then you might want to skip on this one. But otherwise, phone feels good in the hand. काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है. It is a good color. They have got good colors now. It's not like earlier they did not have good colors, but the colors are also good. And overall, it feels really intuitive. I will wait for Apple Intelligence, though मैंने मेरे फ़ोन में तो ऑलरेडी डाल दिया है iPhone 15 Pro Max में. So that is already available. अगर आपको करना है तो you should definitely do it. कोई भी डाउट हो कमेंट करिए, I will respond to it. And this was my review of the 16 Pro. अगर आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो definitely do that. And as usual, thanks for watching.